In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the analyzer templates from the SiteAudit support site. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the support site and to the analyzer folder down here, and we're going to look at the analyzer templates. Okay, so what I'm about to show you is going to be kind of common for any Microsoft Office product that you download from the internet or possibly even from email. So this is the analyzer templates. There's basically 6 sets of templates that are in this particular article. So we have a balanced deployment, shows you all these different charts, information about consumables, your fleet health, inventory, various things like that. And at the very bottom here is where you can download the templates. Okay, it's very small, it's only 22 megabytes. So I've downloaded that to my desktop here, and I've extracted it into a folder. So this is what we're going to be looking at. All right, so after you download it and extract it, this is what you'll have. And in each folder we have both a PowerPoint presentation and an SiteAudit Analyzer template. Now, because we downloaded these from the internet, it's pretty common that your system's going to be protected so that you don't get any viruses. And I'm going to show you what I mean here and what you need to do. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Analyzer template. All right, so it's open. If you notice here, this big yellow thing, band here, it says it's protected view. Be careful, files from the internet can contain virus. Unless you need to edit, it's safer to stay in protected mode. Okay, so we are going to be editing this, so you have to enable editing. All right, so now that that's done, close the file. Okay, you don't have to save it or anything. You could say don't save. And then do the same with the presentation. So this opened up. Again, we're going to enable editing. Cancel this. And just close it. All right, so now we should be ready. Now, this time when we open up the report, it should not be that. So we're going to do the analyzer report first. Okay, you'll want to make sure you do this first. Okay, so we're going to open our report, and you notice that that band is no longer there, saying it's in protected mode. So you can go over to SiteAudit tab here. You can connect to your server and database and refresh all the data at this point. Okay, so now what's happening is SiteAudit's going out to the database. It's pulling in all the data for your customer, and it's updating all the charts and everything in this analyzer report. All right, we're finished, and if I take a look, here's some inventory. All right, so now I'm going to open up my presentation. We're going to leave this open as well. Okay, so now we're going to open the presentation. Note the first thing that comes up, it asks if you want to update the links. Now we can update them. See here down in the bottom, it's updating the links. You do have to make sure you leave that analyzer report open. All right, and now we can see that our reports are updated. All right, so that's how you run your analyzer reports when you're downloading from the web or from an email. If you don't do this, and if you don't disable that protected mode, you will likely run into some problems updating your data. So make sure you do that.